Welcome everyone, I'm Diana, and in this video we are making sweet potato butter swim biscuits. Start out by mixing up your dry ingredients. To a large bowl, add flour, baking powder, salt, granulated sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Use a whisk to mix them up until they are well combined. Set that aside, and in a separate bowl you're going to do the wet ingredients. I have my sweet potato here that I baked ahead of time. You could boil it if you prefer. Peel the skin off. I like to cut off both ends because they tend to be a little stringier than the rest of the potato. So I'm just going to take all the peel off of that middle section and place it into my bowl. Then use a fork to mash it up. This was a medium large size sweet potato, and I got everything that I needed out of that one potato. When you measure it out, it should be about 1 cup of sweet potato. Add brown sugar, milk, and vanilla extract. Whisk it up until it's well combined. When you finish, you'll probably see that your whisk has caught some of the strings. That is a good thing because you want to discard those, so just gently let the excess liquid drain off without letting the strings fall back in, and then just throw those in the trash. Now place a stick of butter in a microwave safe container and heat that in the microwave until it melts. Then pour it into a 9 by 9 inch baking dish. Grab your dry ingredients, make a well in the center, and pour the sweet potato mixture right in the middle. Use a spoon to gently mix everything together. Mix this until it's just combined. You don't want to overmix this, but you want to just make sure there's no dry patches of flour still left in there. Once it's all incorporated, go ahead and pour your biscuit dough right on top of the melted butter in your pan. Use a spoon to spread it out evenly. Make sure to get it all the way into the corners. Then pre-cut the dough into 9 squares. I'm just using a knife to carefully push down through the dough. Don't drag it, but just kind of push it down gently. This will help the butter to get into the crevices of those biscuits as they bake, and also it will help you get your biscuits out easier once they're finished cooking. Bake this for 20 to 30 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit until the biscuits are nice and golden brown and the toothpick stuck in the middle comes out clean. Before it goes in the oven, place your pan on top of a cookie sheet lined with aluminum foil. If any butter bubbles over, it will land on the pan and not in the oven. Mine were just right at 25 minutes. They're nice and golden brown, they rose up nicely, and the butter is bubbling all around the edges. While they're still hot, melt a tablespoon of butter and add a tablespoon of honey. Mix those together until they're well combined. Then brush that honey butter over the tops of the hot biscuits so that it'll soak in nicely and make them taste even better. Let these rest for at least 5 minutes before serving them. These are a sweet biscuit. They're not as sweet as a dessert. That would be great for breakfast. You could eat them with any meal you like though. These will be a great holiday biscuit. They are nice and sturdy, so you can make them into a sandwich. You could throw some chicken in there. If you're interested in the details of the recipe, they will be in the description. I hope you enjoyed these. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.